have this saying, I think like all of you pass it every day, lead lives of learning, integrity, and high purpose. And this last sentence of high purpose, it really resonates with me. And with this project, I really am trying to show this.
As part of our civic awareness programming, we've had the Civic Media Festival, and that was a showcase of the short films and podcasts and artwork that our students who worked over the summer on nonfiction storytelling projects designed to inform, to advocate, and to activate.
No one should take away our rights to read.
I would definitely say that the project that most resonated with me was the one on the banned books. I think that the amount of time that the students took to put this project together, the amount of research they did on it, and the amount of librarians they interviewed, and in the end they were able to pass the bill that they were advocating for.
In the days when he was pulling a rental rickshaw.
I was honestly really surprised by how cinematic the projects were.
I think the main thing that surprised me was seeing our friends do such incredible and in-depth projects on real-life issues.
I love social media's many features.
The one that stood out the most for me was Naima's presentation that spoke about social media and its impact, especially with the audience that it was being presented to. I think it was really fitting and will make everyone think a little more.
I really resonated with the presentation that addressed domestic violence because I feel like it's a problem that's really difficult to talk about.
What did you take away from the experience? I'd say a sense of inspiration. To see your peers create a project like that is uplifting.
Another part of our civic awareness programming has been Civic Awareness Day. We started the day with an amazing panel discussion of two Lawrenceville alums who have gone on to found an important organization doing work in Trenton. We have workshops being conducted by faculty and students and some alum. And we have a civic fair that gives people a chance to try out some actions that are common in civic engagement. So I'm Mr. Ali, the Executive Director of the Hutchins Institute for Social Justice, and we are at Civic Awareness Day, our civic fair. So Olivia, what is the most interesting thing you've learned or encountered, or person you've talked to?
I didn't really understand how loans work. Thinking about it from a more manageable perspective and seeing how it really affects people was really interesting.
It's always so cool to see alums who are maintaining their bonds that they had here as they go forward and forging their path in life and doing good with friends that they made here.
It's really impressive because we're kind of using the resources and the position of privilege that Lawrenceville is giving us to advocate for communities that don't necessarily have the resources to advocate for themselves.
Please give them a round of applause.